and welcome to the last chapter of our Asura Academy. And today we are connecting our e-store with WooCommerce. And before we dive into it, let's just come back to the design set installation. And here we see that inside this installation, we created actually 3 design sets that we can sell separately. So let's dive into WooCommerce installation and start with the setup. We are going to install the WooCommerce not under the design set installation. We are going to install it under our store. And to do that, go to the plugins, add new, type Woo or WooCommerce, install, and activate. We are going to skip the setup of the store details. And we're going to close it. Perfect. WooCommerce is installed now. And after you install the WooCommerce, don't forget to go under the settings, account and privacy, and allow customers to create an account during the checkout so they can return to your store and grab the license after they purchase it. Press save. Okay, let's now create a product and see how to connect it with Asura. So to create a product, just go to the products, add new, we will add a title, design set 1, utility, because if you can see here we have 3 design sets. One is utility, blog, and the shop. So we will start with the utility. Okay, we added the title, and on the right side you can see the Asura meta box, and it's asking for a remote ID and for the generator ID. To find the remote ID, we are going to open the Asura in a new tab, and you can find it under Remotes tab, and there is a design set 1 and there is a ID of 1. Okay, let's save draft for now. Then we need the generator ID. We are going under the generators, and we previously created a design set 1 generator. Let's open it. Here what you can see is we put all 3 design sets. Let's just remove those 2 for now and rename it so we know that this is just for a design set 1 utility. Press submit, go to the generators, and you can see that there is a ID 2 here. Perfect. Let's say draft as well. Okay, we added a remote ID and generator ID. We want that license is created automatically, and let's select the allow license key renewal as well. And the only thing we need to do is add the price. Let's start with 0 for now, so we don't go into the setting up the payments, and we can publish our first product. Perfect, we created the first product, but let's go under the settings and WooCommerce and dive into the integration with the WooCommerce. So first you need to enable it. Then you definitely want to create a purchase page. And the third option is to print license detail on each user received email. That's currently disabled because Joshua is working on it. And beside that, you also have the payment status that you can set up as you want. So let's save changes and preview our first product and see how it looks like. Okay, I'm currently using Gutenberg default theme. I'm not using the Oxygen in this one because we don't actually need it for our store, as I mentioned before. Perfect. So the product is ready. Let's pause the video and open incognito mode to see how it's going to look like from the user experience. Okay, we are now in the incognito mode and we are seeing the page is how the user will see it. And let's start with a purchase. Add to cart, view card, process to checkout. And place an order. Sorry, phone number. Okay, and we are now placing the order. So let's see how the store looks like. So first, what you need to do as a store owner is to open it, and just a second to show you something. The user is created, perfect, and orders, you need to change it from the processing to complete and update. And after we change from processing to complete, the user will be able to get his license and set it up as his design set. Perfect, that will be it for the connecting Asura with WooCommerce, and in a next tutorial we are going to create a tutorial how to connect it with the easy digital downloads. Thank you for watching.